What it do, grind family? Reggie P here. In today's video, I'm going to show you 3 businesses you can start with your phone in 2020. Now, if that sounds appealing to you, stay tuned.
This is App Grind TV. Get your grind on.
Welcome to App Grind TV with your boy Reggie P, and I help entrepreneurs make money on autopilot. In today's video, I'm going to show you 3 businesses you can start with your phone in 2020. Now, if you're new to my channel, I help entrepreneurs make money online, make money on YouTube, and make money with apps. And very, very soon, sometime this month, somebody going to win some free money. So please hit that like button. It really helps out my channel. And drop a comment down below if you have any questions about this video today. And please subscribe to my channel. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so you know when a new video has been uploaded. Now, before I get into these 3 businesses, I just want to direct your attention to the description below. Now, you're going to see where it says instructions to win free money. So if you want to win some free money, just follow those instructions in the description below. And once I hit 2,500 subscribers, 2 people are going to win some free money. And I'm gonna get that 2,500 subscribers this month. So, guys, if you want to win that money, just follow those steps in the description below. All right, please watch this video all the way to the very end so you know all 3 businesses you can start with your phone in 2020. So, let's go to number 1. Now, the first one is flipping products. Now, with flipping products, what you're going to be doing is going to garage sales, thrift stores, or something like that, and you're going to get some cheap products, and you're going to resell them on eBay and Amazon. So when you go to these garage sales, you're going to spend some of them pennies on a dollar, and you're going to make 2 to 3 times twice as much when you sell it online. So what you're going to do first is go on Amazon and eBay and look and see what products are trending and check out the price of these products, what these people are selling these products for. Then you're going to go to these garage sales and find these products. Or if you just want to find some products that you're interested in that's real cheap, go ahead and get that. You know, look for how much they cost on, how much people are charging on Amazon, and you just make that price a little bit lower, but just make sure you get some profit. You don't want to make it too low where you don't get anything, because eBay going to charge a fee and Amazon going to charge a fee for selling products on their sites. All right. Number 2 is become a writer. So you can make some good money being a writer online. And you can start by going to this website called iWriter.com. And there they have all different type of categories you can write things on. So, you know, exercise, health, or just any type of niche that you can think of, you can go on that site and write articles about it, or just any type of things that's going on in the world. So just go check out that website called iWriter.com. Matter of fact, you can also do some ebooks, and you can sell that on Kindle. So you can get an ebook done, and all you have to do, you're going to have to spend a little money. All you have to do is go to Fiverr, and you can get somebody to be a ghostwriter and write your ebook. You just give them the points that you want to, just give them some points about whatever you want to write about, and they will put it in a book form and, have everything. The grammar is all good and everything. And they can put it in ebook form, and you can sell that on Kindle. That's the Amazon app. Okay, number 3, the last one, you can do what you're doing right now is YouTube. So you can start a YouTube business. Now, I know you have to get 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours to start making money on YouTube. Now, what you can do is sell some digital products. Now, digital products are like books, ebooks. So what you're going to do, you can go to this place called ClickBank, and you can get some links to some products. So you're going to be affiliate marketer. So you're going to get a commission every time somebody buy these products once they click that link. So you're going to get that link and put that in the description of your YouTube. And what you're going to do, once they click on there and buy it, you're going to get a percentage of that at ClickBank. So you would have to go to clickbank.com to sign up to be affiliate marketer there. So that's what you can do before, if you don't want to wait around till you get 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours. So you can do that before you can put ads on your channel, and that's when you can make some extra money. That's what I've done. I've done all 3 of these things. I have flipped products on Amazon and eBay. I have wrote an ebook, and I have an ebook right now on Amazon. Matter of fact, on Amazon, on Kindle, you don't even have to sell the ebook. They just need to read it and you'll make some money. That's passive income for me. And as you can see, I have a YouTube channel. And as you can see in the description, I have a disclaimer there also that some links that you're going to click on, I might get a percentage when you sign up with some of these websites. So that's how you can make some extra money before you start making money with ads. Now, I've been monetized on this channel, so I have ads. As you can see, you see the ads. So I'm making money from those ads. And I might make a video in the future about how much I make money on YouTube as a small YouTube channel. So if you want me to make a video about that, just leave that in the comments below. Tell me that, yes, make a video about how much I make on YouTube as a small YouTuber. Okay, so that's all the 3 businesses. So go out there, pick one of those businesses, start making that money, focus on that one business. Once you get that going, go to the next business, start focusing on that, and then go to the 3rd business, start focusing on that. You want to have 3 streams of income coming in. And once you have those 3 streams of income coming in and they working like clockwork, in the future, you can get somebody to delegate some of the things and you can start another one. You want to have several streams of income as time goes on. Okay, that's it. Please hit that like button for me if you like what I talked about today. And let's help me try to get 100 likes, because it really does help my channel when I get a lot of likes. So I am getting a lot of views, over 100 views, so I know I can get 100 likes easily. So just hit that like button for me and help a brother out. And please drop a comment down below. Drop a creative comment, because if your comment is very creative, I might shout you out in the next video. I shouted out somebody in the last video that left a creative comment, and you can be the next one. Now, if you do have a YouTube channel and you're trying to grow it, this shout out might help you out, might get you some subscribers or some viewers to your YouTube channel. So drop a creative comment down below. And please share this all around the internet, because I really truly want to help everybody I can. And for you guys and for everybody out there that's trying to win some free money, follow those steps, share that on Instagram. And lastly, please subscribe to my channel and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you know when a new video has been uploaded, because I make videos like this every other day. All right, that's it. Thank you, Grind family, for your support. Thank you for watching. Keep watching, brother, and I'm gonna keep dropping this content, and I'm gonna keep giving away free money as my channel keep growing. And one more thing before I go, get your grind on, because the grind is real. Now go check out some of my other videos until my new one come out. Peace.
This is Grind TV.